everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's look is inspired by Clara from The Nutcracker and the Four Realms, which was actually released last year, but I didn't actually see it then, and I have no idea why because it's actually a really good film. But this look is inspired by Clara's look at the end of the film when she has been made queen. She does actually have a few ribbons in her hair, but I couldn't find any white ribbon anywhere. I think because it's coming up to Christmas, like it's just sold out everywhere, which is really annoying, but at least I do have the tiara that also keeps falling off. But I can't have everything. But I really like this look, and I know Clara is actually a child in this film, so she doesn't have that much makeup on. I've sort of given it that more grown-up look and done a bit more eyeshadow, a darker lip kind of thing. But yeah, I had so much fun doing this look. I never wear blusher, so to wear this much, I've layered a couple, which you will see when you watch. It's a very different look for me, but I actually really like it. And I also forgot to mention at the start that I've already done my base makeup. That's probably so I could put this wig on. And also, if you want to see a full review of this wig and just all about it, because it's absolutely gorgeous, I will leave a link in the I button up here. So if you want to see how I did this Clara inspired look, carry on watching. So that is my Clara inspired look from the Nutcracker and the Four Realms. I really hope you liked it, and like I said, I had so much fun doing this look. It's very different for me with the blusher, like the eyeshadow's not too different. But yeah, with the blusher and also this hair and wearing a tiara. I mean, it's not every day you can wear a tiara. So I hope you like this look, and you also have to leave me a comment down below. Tell me what film character I should do next. It can be from any film, it doesn't matter if it's old, new, just any character. Please let me know who I should do next. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it so you never miss Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a future video. I do a lot of film character and TV character recreations or just inspired looks, as well as doing like the classic makeup tutorials, which are always fun. So yeah, I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!